Welcome to Linguaclub. Our mission is to help newcomers integrate seamlessly into Dutch society by mastering the Dutch language. At Linguaclub, we offer a unique learning methodology that covers all language skills. We encourage daily practice, believing in the power of small, consistent habits. Each chapter begins with a reading lesson, introducing new vocabulary and grammatical structures. Every reading lesson includes a text, an audio fragment, and a vocabulary list. After reading, students complete exercises to reinforce the new vocabulary. Next, students move on to the grammar lesson. Here they watch video explanations by our professional teachers and complete exercises related to the topic. The platform automatically checks answers, providing instant feedback. Following the grammar lesson are the listening exercises. Students listen to an audio fragment, answer questions, and read a transcript to enhance their comprehension. The fourth part of each chapter is writing, where students actively use the new vocabulary and grammar. This work is reviewed and corrected by our teachers. Finally, each chapter concludes with a speaking lesson. Students choose from available options to engage in intensive speaking practice with one of our professional teachers, reinforcing what they have learned throughout the week. Learning with us is pleasant and empowering. Our method emphasizes creating strong language habits. All exercises are designed to resemble the integration exams. After completing our courses, students will not only be able to use their Dutch skills in real life, but also pass these exams. We also offer a complete K&M preparation course, ensuring our students are fully prepared to integrate into Dutch society. Join Linguaclub and start your journey to mastering Dutch today.